What's going on, everyone? Mr. Blue Ocean FX, and we are here February 14th on Valentine's Day. And since I'm married to these charts and to this pair, GBP Chappy or the pound yen, I'm going back with an update. I'm going to go straight into it as usual. Um, on yesterday's breakdown, I did say that I was expecting lower prices. However, as a trader, you got to be adaptive to the everyday price movements, especially if you're a day trader like myself, as opposed to a swing trader. Now, as a swing trade, I still do believe I'm going to see a short side to it or sellers taking control. However, I can see some upside potential. um, so let's just go straight into it. I'm going to go dive into the H4 and H1 because that's where I see a possible reversal to the upside. Okay. And yesterday's video, I did mention that they did not quite come up and take these stops here, right above here at the 193.18. And I believe we're going to see a push up here and possibly a sweep below. And I'll show you what I mean by that. Okay. So yesterday we were here somewhere around here. I don't remember at the time of recording. If you go down to the H1, we saw this nice push up, higher highs and higher lows, up into the price point of 193.07. We broke below. I waited for a retest of that level, as I explained. Okay, let's play through that. Okay, retested the level. I entered shorts. Okay, I caught about 50 pips on this drop. All right, so it was about a 50 pip drop. Caught it from here. I caught one entry here, a small position. And then this one was about 50 pips or so. Yeah, just about 50 pips. I saw this rejection, ended up closing. It was a good close. However, let's get straight into it. Okay. Now, as you see the market developing on the H4 time frame, let me get rid of this. I'm going to go back because I believe they're going to go sweep these highs before any downside, if there's going to be more downside. Okay. Now, again, everything is structured for me. Okay. So we had this push up again on the lower time frames. We saw it. A breakdown below. You could see them come here, retest the level, and then they gave us a higher low point here, which stopped at the 191.58, which is creating a nice support level there. Okay. And if you look on the lower time frames on H1, you can see them slowly, although this is consolidation, you can see them slowly peaking higher and higher, right? After this exhaustion wick that spiked down to the 191.26 yesterday, you could see them spike above these highs. And remember on the previous video, I said this resistance level, if I saw it breach, I can see it would invalidate the sells for me. Okay, so they peak above, right, at 192.33. Reject, drop back down. They do not go any lower than this wick here at the 191.26 on the H1 time frame. If I scale down to M15, you can see the wick, no candle close above, right? Now, when we go to H1, we see a spike above going as high as 192.39. And if you go on M15, we see a candle closure there. Going back to H1, again, a spike even higher at the 192.50 area. And once again, a candle closure above. Okay, now these candle closures are big tell to where the market wants to go. It is creeping higher slowly. Okay, so I am expecting the pound yen to eventually break above this, retest it, hold, sweep these highs here. Let's get rid of this line. Sweep these highs and possibly reverse. So let me just get rid of this here. Show you this. Okay, something like that. Sweep these highs and possibly reverse back down through here. Or if that, then this is how I play it. Let's just climb up, come up here, hold these levels, and then continue higher. All right, which is highly possible. Again, I'm going to let the market show its hand. I'm not going to try to anticipate what's going to happen before it happens. I allow the market to show me. And based on current price action, although we are seeing these wicks on H4, I do believe that's to entice more sellers to get in so that they can then swipe them out, liquidate them, and either come back strong and reverse and continue its downtrend, or completely run back up and look for more liquidity levels on the sell side. Okay, targeting one after the 193.18 area, possibly targeting the 194.74 area. Now, I just wanted to give this update, and as usual, keeping this within 5 minutes. If you like the content, make sure to subscribe. There'll be more of these. Like it, boost it, and share it with a fellow trader. We'll catch you on the next one.